Here's a simple, quick way to block communication between applications on your computer and the internet. This will also block communication between the internet and your applications. There are many reasons to do this, but I'm not going to get into them in this video. That's a different conversation. Let's jump in. Start off by searching for Windows Defender Firewall in your Windows search. Don't choose the simplified version of it. It doesn't let you control specific ports, and sneaky apps often bypass this. Choose Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. So once this opens, I'm going to create a rule for Adobe. I'm going to try to block it from connecting to the internet. I can do this simply by creating a rule, an inbound rule, for the program. Copy the path to Adobe with the application name, select program, hit next, and put the application path in the program path box. Remove the quotes and hit next. Select block the connection and press next again. Make sure domain, private, and public are selected and press next. And here you can name it accordingly. Hit finish. There you have it. It's going to block all the inbound connections. Now we simply repeat the process for outbound. Now what I'm going to do next is disable both of these rules and show you what happens when you open Adobe without these rules in force. To better understand what's happening, open Resmon. It's a resource monitor that keeps track of open applications and their network connectivity. Notice at the top of the list are 2 Adobe processes running. This happened because I disabled the firewall rule. Next, I'm going to re-enable the rules I created. Now when I open an Adobe file, notice that the network activity processes are no longer there. In this last example, I'm going to use Brave browser. I'm going to prevent it from accessing the internet, which defeats the purpose of a web browser, but here we are. So it's the same steps I did before, just create 2 rules in inbound and outbound, point it to the application, name it, and hit finish. To verify the status, just simply check the resource monitor, or refresh the page. That's it for this video. Hopefully it helped somebody in some way. Until next time, keep it pixel perfect.